Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and another useful and informative video which is about how to fix guided access not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my other friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have reset all setting on your iPhone. If your iPhone guided access is still not working, net lost, then you can try to reset all setting on your iPhone. So open the setting, click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then second solution, you have turn off guided access and turn it on again. If your guided access triple click is not working the first, so then you have probably is not applicable in your situation. In this case, you need to guided access is toggle it on and toggle it off. So then you have open the accessibility, scroll up, then you have click the guided access, then you have turn it on, turn it off from here. Then third solution, you have restart your iPhone. The next solution is to soft reset your iPhone. The procedure is also known as a forced restart. There are a couple of reasons where restarting your smartphone fix most problems, making it a go-to solution of technical issue like this. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart. If their problem will be fixed. The last solution, you have update your iPhone. iOS update often come with bugs, fixes and performance improvements. Therefore, you can resolve your iPhone guided access problem by ensuring that you have updated your iOS the latest versions on your. So then open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then your problem will be fixed and 100% working. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.